Welcome, dear students. Today it is my second class, and we shall discuss today with few more problems of mensuration. Now, the problem 1. A bucket is raised from a well by a rope wound around a wheel of 154 centimeters diameter. The bucket ascends in 1 minute 28 seconds with a uniform velocity of 1.1 meters per second. Calculate the number of complete revolutions of the wheel in raising the bucket. So, diameter of the wheel is equal to 154 centimeters. Therefore, radius of the wheel is equal to 154 divided by 2 centimeters is equal to 77 centimeters. Therefore, the circumference of the wheel is equal to 2 into pi into r, that is 77 centimeters is equal to 484 centimeters. So the circumference of the wheel is equal to 484 centimeters. So in one complete revolution, the wheel moves 484 centimeters distance. So now velocity of the bucket, ascending velocity of the bucket is equal to 1.1 meters per second, and ascending time is equal to 1 minute 28 seconds. So, height covered in 1 minute 28 seconds. Height ascended in 1 minute 28 seconds, that is in 88 seconds. Height ascended in 88 seconds, it is equal to 88 into 1.1 meters is equal to 96.8 meters. Is equal to 96.8 into 100 centimeters is equal to 96800 centimeters, that is equal to 96 80 centimeters. Now in one complete revolution, the wheel, one complete revolution of the wheel, the bucket ascends 484 centimeters. So how many revolutions of the wheel the bucket completely will ascend the height? Time therefore number of revolutions of the wheel is equal to 9680 divided by 484 centimeters is equal to 20 is equal to 20. So 20 revolutions, number of revolutions of the wheel is equal to 20. Now the second problem, the sum of diameters of two circles is 28 centimeters and the difference of their circumferences is 44 centimeters. Find the circumferences of two circles. Let us suppose that the radius of the bigger circle, is equal to capital R centimeter and radius of the smaller circle, radius of the smaller circle is equal to small r centimeters and capital R is greater than small r. Therefore, diameter of the bigger circle is equal to 2 capital R centimeters, smaller 2 small r centimeters. Therefore, given two capital R plus 2 small r is equal to 28, or R plus R is equal to 28 divided by 2, 14. This is equation 1. Now circumference of the bigger circle is equal to 2 pi capital R centimeter. Circumference of the smaller circle is equal to 2 pi small r centimeter. It is given that two pi capital R minus 2 pi small r is equal to 44, or 2 pi common, or r minus r is equal to 44 divided by 2 pi 22 is equal to 22 into 7 divided by 22 is equal to 7. This is equation 2. Now adding equations 1 and 2. 1 and 2. R plus small r is equal to 14. R minus small r is equal to 7. Capital R is equal to 21. Therefore, capital R is equal to 21 divided by 2. Now, putting the value of R in equation 1, we have 21 divided by 2 plus small r is equal to 14, or small r is equal to 14 minus 21 by 2 is equal to 4. The radius of the bigger circle. Radius of the bigger circle is equal to 21 by 2 centimeters. The radius of the bigger circle is equal to 21 by 2 centimeters. Circumference of the bigger circle is equal to 2 into pi into 21 by 2 centimeters is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 centimeters is equal to 66 centimeters. And the circumference of the smaller circle, radius of the smaller circle is equal to of smaller circle is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Therefore, therefore circumference of smaller circle is equal to 2 into pi into 7 by 2 centimeters. (22 centimeters). So we have got the values. The circumference of the bigger circle is equal to 66 centimeters and the circumference of the smaller circle is equal to 22 centimeters. Now, problem 3. A copper wire bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 121 centimeter square. When it is bent into the form of a circle, what will be the area of the circle? So first, the copper wire bent into the form of a square. Let us suppose that one side of the square is equal to a centimeters. Therefore, area is equal to a square centimeter square, given a square is equal to 121. Therefore, a is equal to square root of 121 is equal to 11. Therefore, one side of the square is equal to 11 centimeters. Now, the wire bent in the form of a square further bent into the form of a circle. The perimeter of the square will be equal to the circumference of the circle. Perimeter of the square will be equal to the circumference of the circle. Now, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into 11. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into 11 centimeters, 44 centimeters. Now this perimeter will be equals to the circumference of the circle. Let us suppose that the radius of the circle is equal to r centimeter. Therefore, circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to the perimeter of the square. So 44, or r is equal to 44 divided by 2 pi. So radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeters. So So area of the circle, radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeters. So area of the circle is equal to pi into r square, centimeter square, is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 equal to 154 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of the circle is equal to 154 centimeters square. Now the fourth problem, an aluminium wire bent in the form of an equilateral triangle of area 484 square root of 3 centimeters square. If the wire is bent into a circle, what will be the area enclosed by the wire? Now we know that equilateral triangle has equal 3 sides. So this is an equilateral triangle. And its area is given as 484 square root of 3 centimeters square. Now we know that the area of the equilateral triangle is equal to square root of 3 by 4 into side square, that is a square, that is given as 484 square root of 3 or a square is equal to 484 square root of 3 into 4 by square root of 3 equal to 4 into 4 into 1 to 1. Therefore 4 into 4 into 11 into 11. A is equal to square root of 4 into 4 into 11 into 11. That is equal to 4 into 11, 44. So one side of the equilateral triangle is equal to 44 centimeters. One side of the equilateral triangle is equal to 44 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, is equal to 3 into 44 centimeters square, 132 centimeters. Now the wire is bent into a circle. So now the wire is bent into a circle. So the circumference of this circle will be equal to the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Perimeter of the equilateral triangle is equal to the circumference of the circle. So Let us suppose that the radius of the circle is equal to r centimeters. Therefore, circumference to pi r is equal to 132, or r is equal to 132 by 2 pi is equal to 66 divided by 22. Therefore, radius of the circle is equal to 21 centimeters. So area enclosed by the wire. So area of this portion enclosed by the wire is equal to area of the circle is equal to pi into radius square is equal to centimeter square is equal to 1386 centimeters square. So thank you students for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and for get the further notifications press the bell icon. Thank you very much.